మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, స్వాగతం, వనక్కం టు సౌత్ ఏషియా మ్యాప్స్ education channel. Your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, Joggari Tirupati Reddy. We are continuing our Baghel Khand series, which is a historical cultural region overlapping today's Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. This is made in 2005 October. So this is the historical Madhya Pradesh. This yellow region is the Baghel Khand region, and we broadly identified 5 districts, and that is Satna, Rewa, Shahdol, Sidhi, Surguja. We will be covering but omitted the historic Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh and Babua and Sasram district of Bihar. We will cover that region but only identified these 5 Baghel Khand region districts. Previously, we have discussed 12 physiographic geographic regions of Baghel Khand, and in the part B, I have taken round about 4 or 5 and expanding that further. So we'll be talking about the Son River trough. We'll omit Narmada, we'll deal somewhere. Then the Sidhi-Agori upland regions, also called Sonpar region. Son River, Sonpar region next to that. Then the Chopan Bridge and Rihand River Basin Gorge and Dam. That is in the Sonbhadra or historical Mirzapur district of southern part of Uttar Pradesh. Singrauli and Dudhi Basin. Singrauli is in Sidhi-Singrauli region of Madhya Pradesh. Dudhi is in Sonbhadra district of Mirzapur. And Baghel Khand Plateau region. That is the historic Surguja district, princely state, now in northern part of Chhattisgarh. And this is the broad view. Previously we looked at 12 regions. I have taken round about 4 or 5 and covered in part A. Part B, we are talking about the Son Trough and Singrauli region and so on. And you can find all these videos at South Asia Maps J. Reddy Education channel. And the advantage of looking the physiographic regions, because it gives the broader physical orientation of the land terrain with respect to the rivers, mountains, hills, when compared to standard two-dimensional administrative geography or political geography. It gives a broader, deeper understanding. We'll go over these regions, and I will walk you through different physiographic maps where you will get a deeper understanding. The south of Jabalpur, the river Narmada forms a very big trough. On the northern edge, it is edged by the Vindhyachal mountains. In the southern part, edged by the Satpuranchal mountains. So that we'll cover elsewhere. The eastern part is the narrow trough. Trough is between the two elevated regions. A sort of bigger gorge. It's not a plains or maidan, it's a trough. Son trough is much smaller. Son river trough. Then the Kemur range, Sidhi-Agori upland region, also called Sonpar region. This is the Son river, Sonpar region. This is the Rihand river dam. Sidhi-Agori. Then the Chopan is a bridge is built on Son river, that is in the historic Mirzapur district or Sonbhadra now, on the Rihand river. Son River, Rihand and Rihand River Dam is a major power producer in that region. Then south of it is the Singrauli-Dudhi Basin across the dam. Then the further south is the Baghel Khand Plateau region, overlooks the Surguja Plains or Ambikapur Plains. That is the major food producing region of Chhattisgarh. If you want to look all these 12 physiographic regions, we have covered them elsewhere, part 3. you will get a broader understanding of them there. So we can look at them now. So you should always start with a certain landmarks. Our landmarks, this is the Son River. Obviously, you can see the Son River. This is the Aurangabad and this is the Dehri. Then goes to Sasram and I think Mahania. And this is the Mughal Sarai Junction. This is the Varanasi and Ganga. So this is the Rohtas Plateau. This is the Mirzapur Hillier Plateau region. So this is the Rihand Dam. This is the Rihand River. And this is the Kemur Range. This is the Bansagar and so on. So this is the trough. This is the trough. Son trough. So this you can see the Sidhi-Agori regions here. Sonpar Hill, Sonfal, near the Son trough. Then south of it, Sidhi, Singrauli and Dudhi. When you see the dam, this is the Singrauli, this is the Dudhi. This is the rain cut. This is the Chopan and Bilibari. This is Chopan, this is the Bilibari junction. And it goes there and further you can see the Rihand river. You can see the Kanhar river, that is the border between Vanachal, Chhattisgarh, border between the Jharkhand, that is the Vanachal, and Madhya Pradesh. Then this is the Dalton Ganj in the Palamu, Garwa. I think this is the Garwa, this is the Dalton Ganj. The North Coal River. So you saw the trough, you saw the Sidhi-Agori, then we saw the around the dam Singrauli and Dudhi. Then you can see this is the Plateau region, this is the Baghel Khand Plateau. You can see the Rihand River Gorge and Basin, you can see here. That comes from this is the Ambikapur, headquarters of the farmer, Surguja district. So this is the Surguja Basin. This is the Baghel Khand Plateau, this is the Mailan Hills, this is the Hazaribagh Plateau region. And you can see the same the dam and Bansagar, Sidhi, Agori, I will show here, Agori region. Chopan bridge is built on the Son River, the railway bridge. This is the Obra and Bilibari railway junction. This is the Agori fort, historic fort. So that is the Sidhi-Agori. Sidhi-Agori, this is the trough. Then you see the Singrauli, then Dudhi Basin. When you see the river, Rihand River, that's the Renukut town, Sonbhadra district, that's the Mirzapur district. This is the hills, that's the plateau. That is the Baghel Khand plateau. We are talking about the historic Baghel Khand. So this is the Rihand River. This is the Milan mountain range. This is the Hazaribagh Plateau. This is Surguja Basin, Ambikapur Basin. Further is Bilaspur Plains or Mahanadi River Basin. So you can see this. Yeah, you can see the same thing. Bansagar Dam here. Reva means Govindagar, Bansagar. There will be Churhat somewhere, Govindagar. And this is the Son River trough. This is the Sonpar Hills. This is a Sidhi, and you can see near Obra, Agori. I think we have seen the Agori somewhere here nearby. Yeah, here it is now. We have to expand further. Yeah, we'll omit that. Yeah, now we can see the Singrauli Basin and Dudhi Basin. So railway line goes from Renukut to Dudhi and Garwa to Dalton Ganj. This is the Coal River. No, sir. This is the North Coal River. You can see Surguja Basin, Ambikapur Basin. That means this is the Baghel Khand Plateau region. You can see the railway lines easily. So Singrauli and Renukut and Dudhi and Chopan Bridge, Rihand Dam, the Trough Sonpar Hills and this is the Rihand River. This is the Kanha River, the border between Madhya Pradesh and Vanachal, that is the Jharkhand. This is the plateau, Baghel Khand plateau. This is the Sidhi, Singrauli and Dudhi Basin. This is the Son River trough. This is the Kemur range. This is the Sidhi and Agori region. Singrauli-Dudhi region. Uplands, Baghel Khand upland. Milan Hills. You can see the basin, Ambikapur Basin, Surguja Basin. This is the Hazaribagh Plateau region. So in the next presentation, we look at the Devagar Hills, Baghel Khand, we look at Rihand Gorge, Milan Hills, and Pendra Basin, Surguja Basin, Maikala Ridge, and Sohagpur Basin, Jukehi Railway Gap, and Narmada Trough region. Thank you very much, Mitranam, joining me today. Hope this will be very productive to understanding the historical region of Baghel Khand, that is the part of the historical erstwhile Madhya Pradesh province.